Upgrading your morning coffee routine is easier than you think. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best milk frothers you can get this year. From affordable basics to feature-packed models, there's a perfect option here for every coffee lover. These are all top-rated, durable picks that deliver fantastic value, helping you make that confident barista-quality choice from home. First on our list is the SIMPLETASTE 4-in-1 electric milk frother. This model is a fantastic, affordable workhorse. It creates rich, creamy warm foam, light warm foam, and cold foam. Plus, it can simply heat milk for hot chocolate. With a 500-watt motor, it works quickly and shuts off automatically so you don't have to watch it. The stainless steel pitcher has a non-stick interior, which makes rinsing it out really simple. It can heat up to 10 ounces or froth about 4, perfect for 1 or 2 drinks. The main thing to note is that the base and exterior can't get wet, so a careful hand wash is the way to go. For the price, this is an incredibly reliable starter frother. If you're new to frothing and want an easy, effective machine without a big investment, the SIMPLETASTE is absolutely worth every penny. Next, we have the Instant Pot automatic milk frother. Coming from a trusted kitchen brand, this frother focuses on simplicity and quiet operation. It offers those same 4 core functions: cold foam, 2 types of warm foam, and a milk warming setting. The operation is super simple with 2 intuitive buttons, and it's notably quiet while it works. A great feature is that the lid and whisk are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The pitcher is made of plastic, which keeps it lightweight and cool to the touch, though it might feel less premium than stainless steel to some. It has a slightly larger heating capacity too. This one is a game changer for anyone who values easy cleaning and a peaceful kitchen. If you're looking for a fuss-free, user-friendly frother that you can quickly wipe down or toss in the dishwasher, the Instant Pot model is a top-rated choice. Our third contender is the iconic Nespresso Aeroccino 3. This is the premium, compact choice for lovers of sleek design and speed. With just one button, a short press for hot froth, a long press for cold, it's the definition of simplicity. It heats milk to the perfect temperature for coffee incredibly fast, thanks to its 550-watt power. The interior is stainless steel with a non-stick coating, and the entire whisk unit is dishwasher safe. Its capacity is a bit smaller, geared towards making a single perfect drink at a time. Let's be real, you're paying a bit for the brand name and the minimalist look, but the performance is consistently excellent. If you're an espresso machine owner or simply someone with limited counter space who wants a fast, no-nonsense, and stylish frother, the Aeroccino 3 is for you. At number 4, we have the MUMAO automatic milk frother. This is a fantastic all-around contender that brings some smart features to the table. It handles the standard 4 functions, but it really stands out with its large capacity. It can heat nearly 12 ounces of milk, and its precise temperature control, warming milk to that ideal cafe sweet spot. The interior uses durable 304 stainless steel, and it operates quietly. It comes with a helpful cleaning brush and has dry burn protection for safety. On the downside, the exterior is plastic and it requires hand washing. For its capacity and temperature precision, this model offers tremendous value. If you're regularly making drinks for 2, or you're a home barista who cares about getting the milk texture just right, the Mumau is a brilliant pick. Finally, let's talk about the Secura automatic frother. This one wins points for its stunning, column-like stainless steel design and super clear operation. It has bright LED indicator lights for its 4 modes, so you always know exactly what setting it's on. It includes helpful accessories like 2 whisks, a silicone scraper, and a cleaning brush. The 400-watt motor is efficient, and the automatic shutoff is completely reliable. Like others, it needs to be hand-washed carefully. This frother combines performance with a beautiful aesthetic that looks great on any countertop. If you want a frother that not only works wonderfully but also serves as a sleek kitchen accent, the Secura is your best bet. It's a durable, top-rated appliance that makes the process feel a little more special. So, which one is the absolute best of the best? For my money, the MUMAO takes the top spot this year. It delivers an outstanding balance of large capacity, precise temperature control, quiet operation, and sturdy interior materials, all at a very competitive price. It truly is a game changer for the everyday coffee enthusiast. But honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these 5. They were all chosen for their quality and performance. To get the best price on your favorite, all the links are organized for you in the description below. If this guide helped you find your perfect froth, feel free to like this video or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next delicious homemade latte.